Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to share QR code in Line app so you can connect with others quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your phone and open the Line app. Make sure you're already logged into your correct account so everything runs smoothly right from the start. Step 2. Once you're inside the app, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small settings icon. Go ahead and tap on that to open the settings menu. Step 3. Now that you're in the settings, scroll until you see the profile option. Tap on it to open your personal profile settings where you can manage your account details. Step 4. Inside your profile settings, scroll down through the list of options. You're looking for the one labeled QR code. When you find it, just tap on it to continue. Step 5. Here, you'll see 3 useful options: copy link, share, and download. These let you use your QR code in different ways depending on what you want to do. Step 6. If you're sharing your QR code with someone, tap on the share option. A list of apps will appear. Choose the app you want, like WhatsApp, and then select the person you want to send it to. Step 7. Once you've selected the person, just tap the send button. Tap again to confirm, and just like that, your QR code is shared and you have done. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.